Okay, this is the top sirloin. This is a full top sirloin butt. We're gonna cut this one into steaks. We'll take off the culotte roast, or the picanha. Right here is where the mouse is. Right where that indents. I'm gonna cut to remove this mouse piece. So there's the mouse. I'm gonna set that aside. We'll pull the lumberjack off of that. And I've got this triangle piece of fat that separates where the culotte is. And this I'm just going to trim down a little bit, make sure all my fat's even. A nice even fat cap across there. Okay, so there's the culotte. Top sirloin, I'll remove the rest of this fat. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over, I'm gonna look. There's a mark right there. You can see that little vein. So I'm gonna go from here over to this side, right where the side of that is. So I'll make a cut here. This is to separate off the baseballs. So I'm gonna ride right along that seam. To open that up, take some of that feathering off. There's the baseball, bone skin. Baseballs, we'll cut these into steaks, just like that. And then the rest of this, I'll clean off this tendon. So I can pull this out. I'm going to square the front and then I'll cut this into sirloin steaks. Those end up being real nice. Okay. And then on the mouse, we'll pull this apart to get the lumberjack out, or the top sirloin tender. So on the bottom, we can see this silver skin. This is the top that was connected to the bone. It's got the bone skin and stuff where it's connected to the hip. Here's where the silver skin is. I'm gonna look for that piece. You can see that separation right here. So I'll cut just right below that silver skin. And I'm gonna cut and pull to release. This is the gluteus accessorius muscle. Underneath we've got that silver skin. Now it's nice and clean on this side. So this is the most tender piece or tender muscle on the entire top sirloin butt. So there's a lumberjack steak. And that is all the top sirloin.